Hello students, this is CA ASHWINI K, your costing faculty. I hope you and your family members are doing good and are safe at home. Today we are here to discuss on how to stay focused and how to prepare yourself for the exams amid the uncertainties. Yes, my dear students, this is not the time to quit your studies. This is not the time to go back and check for the alternative options. This is not the time to stay silent. This is the time to stay focused on your studies. This is all common, my dear students. This doesn't mean you should quit your studies. This doesn't mean that you should take up your studies very seriously. So, this also reminds me about the tortoise and the hare story. You very well know about this story and would have known the conclusion also. And also have the dedication. Dedication itself will get you through the subjects. And you should understand that it's not one day's work, it is not one day efforts, it is a consistent efforts, which means you should follow a discipline. You should follow the discipline while you do the studies. Yes. Another important factor of getting out from these queries or solution is being unstoppable. Let me give you some tips. So, strongly believe in your goals. Have the self-confidence within you that you are going to achieve it. And challenges. It's very important to give yourself daily challenges. And once you complete it, reward yourself. Reward yourself for the challenges taken up. This will surely help you to gain the happiness on completing the subjects and also completing the challenge. Now, what are the other tips to get the success in the studies or get through your exams? Here are some of my tips to you. Stick on to your books. That means don't get diverted. Don't choose other alternative options. Stick on to the books that you have selected. Take proper breaks within the study period. Taking breaks really enhances your efficiency. It boosts up your confidence. So take proper breaks and also give some time for your family and for the entertainment. AIRs, All India ranks, are always attractive to anyone, isn't it? Yes. To be successful, it is very important to note that you have a consistent efforts and always stay focused. Success comes only with the hard efforts and pain. Yes, my dear students, you all are a champions and I very well know you are going to succeed and continue to stay focused with your studies. With this note, I wish all the very best to all my champion students to get through the exams and to stay focused. Thank you so much.